My name's Shailene, and today I'm going to be talking about the EvenSkyn Cosmo, which is basically an ultrasonic cleanser that goes deeper to clean in a less abrasive manner than alternatives. Its stainless steel blade vibrates and oscillates at 24,000 Hz to gently remove dirt, grime, dead skin, and other pore blocking buildup from your skin. While the Ultra mode is effectively cleansing for that extra kick, Clean mode for everyday cleansing. Nutrition mode changes the vibrations to favor absorption of your favorite skincare products. It has 465 nanometer bio-blue light technology that kills acne and breakout-causing bacteria. Plus, it's wireless, sleek, and super easy to use. How do you do it? First, you make sure the device is connected to a USB power source, and you set the device to the base to make sure it's charging. When charging, the battery indicated above the power button will flash red. When fully charged, the light will turn blue. To turn it on, you simply short press the power button until it beeps. If you short press it again, it will switch between Ultra, Clean, and Nutrition mode. And then you just have to long press it again to turn it off. So we're gonna go try out the Cosmo. I'm gonna go wash my face and come back with my favorite cleanser to show you how it works. So you wanna apply your favorite cleanser immediately before starting with the Cosmo. Then you turn it on and select which mode you'll be using. Today, I'm gonna be going for the clean mode since I do use this product every day. And then you simply drag it across your skin at a 45-degree angle like so. And you'll be able to see those water droplets that have gone onto the surface of the blade, and that's how you know it's doing its job. And so after you use the Cosmo to do your cleansing, then you're able to continue clicking until you have your nutrition mode. Using the nutrition mode, you're going to be able to apply your moisturizer directly onto the blade, and the blue light therapy, as seen here, is going to really help the skin absorb those moisturizers. So you just have to So after I've used the nutrition mode, I've noticed that my skin really absorbs the moisturizer that I put on rather than just using my hands to blend it in. I really love the EvenSkyn Cosmo. It's part of my everyday skincare routine. But I recommend you check out evenskyn.com to see what other amazing skincare products they have.